we're getting you some breaking news as the Bollywood Me Too storm intensifies. Director Ashiq Abu resigns from FEFCA. Director Ashiq resigns from Film Body, and second FIR has been registered against Malayalam actor Jayasuriya. Second FIR against Jayasuriya post the actress's complaint. Well, that is the big breaking news that we're getting you at this point in time. Jay Lakshmi is joining me live right now to get us more details. Well, Jay Lakshmi, here at Mirror Now did call it the tip of the iceberg, and as more and more testimonies emerge, this trouble only mounts for all these leaders. Take us through the second FIR that has been registered against the Malayalam actor Jayasuriya.
Yes, in fact, actor Jayasuriya's first FIR was registered after actress Minu Munir had given a statement in Kochi, and after that, the first FIR was registered against him. And yesterday, after actor Sonia Malhar had given a statement to the police, the special investigation team, today the police has registered the second FIR against Jayasuriya. It says it is section 354, trying to sexual assault against women misbehaving without the consent. These are charges that have been filed against him, and in fact, we know that after multiple names have been coming forward, not only Jayasuriya, even director Ranjit, a second complainant has come forward. Second time, irrespective of the gender, we are seeing here man and women. We're seeing how complaints have been coming up, and that the problems that the industry has been facing, the sexual favors, the casting couch, it is no more a rule. These have been established now after the Hema Committee report got released. And now what we understand is that the state government has a huge pressure on them after one of their MLA, Mukesh, who's an MLA from Kollam, allegations, strong allegations, even he has been charged for rape. After such strong bookings against the MLA, the state government is under tremendous pressure to come out. The various political parties, both Congress and BJP in the state, are demanding with Mukesh's resignation with immediate effect. They do not believe that politician with such big charges can continue to serve the state. That is the claim of the organization. That is the claim of the political party. So definitely the state government under immense pressure, demanding resignation of Mukesh. We are soon to hear from the state government. What we understand is that a state secretariat meeting is going on, in which there will be a decision made regarding whether or not Mukesh should continue as an MLA or he should tender his resignation. But what we understand at this moment is that all these victims, all these abusers whose name has been named, none of them have come limelight, none of them has come out, and neither has arrest been made. So that is something that we are following and trying to know whether or not there will be arrests in the coming days.